Jessica Brevoort, and this is Kitchen Table Productions, a show all about living well with low carb. Well, a couple of shows back on my cookout show where I made ketchup, I actually mentioned the possibility of taking a pasta salad to a cookout. I've had a couple of inquiries since about how one would do that. How does one make a pasta salad low carb? Well, I'm going to show you my tricks for making a great low carb pasta salad, both delicious and fast. So let's get started. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blanch my broccoli. I've got, there's one head here, is basically 2 small bunches. And I'm going to put it in my boiling water. I've got a large pot of rapidly boiling water here for just about 10-12 seconds. And what this is going to do, it's going to turn it in beautiful greens, make all that green in the broccoli just really pop out. Doesn't have to take long. There we go. Oops. Put it right into ice water to stop the cooking. See the difference in that color? Which would you rather eat, right? Alright. I've got this huge pot of rapidly boiling water. It's turned a little greenish because of the broccoli. That's fine. It's not going to hurt the pasta at all. I'm just going to boil my pasta in it since it's all ready to go. Waste not, want not. I'm going to boil that according to the package instructions. Oh, I should add my salt. Do not want to forget to salt your water. If you do, then your pasta will be rather flat tasting. Now, set my timer. And while that pasta is boiling, I'm going to chop my broccoli and my cauliflower. I want relatively small, bite-sized pieces of my broccoli. It's going to be mixed with pasta after all. It's like a cookout salad. Oh, this is so pretty. Go ahead and chop the stems up too. A lot of good nutrition there. A lot of nice crispiness. We didn't have this in the boiling water long, so it's not really very cooked. There's a lot of nice crispiness here in the stems. A lot of good flavor too. Sometimes I'll just chop the stems up raw and dip them in a little vinegar. It makes a yummy, crunchy treat. Now I find whenever chopping a cauliflower, a lot of times it's best to work from underneath because you can kind of see what you're doing as you're cutting off the florets. So one slice and then I can pull it away. Just kind of go around in a circle like that. Cutting the stalks from the back side. I'm just taking my cauliflower here and I'm just kind of breaking it up by hand. Got a lot of different size pieces, big, small. By doing this right over my bowl, I end up with a lot less mess than if I were to do it on a cutting board. There we are. Such pretty colors, already coming together. Alright, here's my broccoli and my cauliflower, and I'm going to add to this about 4 ounces of grated Colby Jack cheese. And I have here a 2-ounce can of sliced olives. Obviously you can get olives and slice them yourself if you want. But on a busy cookout I find the convenience is worth the extra price. There we go. As you can see, my bowl's already looking pretty full and we haven't even added the pasta yet. So I'm going to transfer this back into my pasta pot. I've returned my pasta, as you can see, to my pasta pot. Now we're going to spice this up. I believe in making things easy on myself for cookout days, so I'm going to add just a pre-packaged, pre-made Italian dressing. Beautiful. Now here's my beautiful pasta salad all ready to serve. Now I'm just going to cover this in plastic wrap and keep it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to serve it. Well, that's the pasta salad. Now the recipe I made today made about 15 cups worth of pasta salad, and that worked out to about 6 carbs per cup as a serving. Now about a good half of those carbs actually came from the dressing I used. You can certainly cut that carb count in about half by making your own Italian dressing. Now you could use just about any low-carb dressing you like, although if you're going to have a nice hot cookout day, I would recommend staying away from the cream-based ones such as ranch. Try to stick to the oil and vinegar-based dressings. They're actually going to hold up to the heat exposure much better. Well, for this recipe and many others, please visit our website, kitchentableproductions.net. I'm Jessica Brevort, and this has been Kitchen Table Productions.